What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Tonight we're gonna open probably both of these, depending on how our pools go and knowing Champions Path. Pools aren't that great. We've already completed the set, so this is just gonna be for some, fun shits and giggles and all that good stuff. So wish us luck. Maybe we get a Zard out of each one. Maybe we get a Zard out of 2 out of 1. Hey, yeah, we getting down. 2 of these babies. Wish us luck. Get a whole bunch of hot trash and then maybe a Charizard. Gardevoir VMAX. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Sadly, I didn't think I was going to be able to pull this one. And I ended up having to get it at the trade from little card store downtown we went to. You remember?
Yep.
Alright, well that box is nice. Baby, give us something good. It's upside down.
Yeah. What? Oh, flip it up.
I mean, but no, look. Some people would be like, oh my god, I got an error pack. Another code card. Let's see what we get. Champ. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry about that. Sticky fingers. More code cards. Make it rain. Code cards. Keep them coming. Love giving away the code cards. That's why we're going to get a Charizard in one of these. Because we're giving away the code cards. sticky cards. See what I mean? Sticky. Boo. Box number 1 pull. Score. Very nice for them. Yeah. We'll go through these because we're on the hunt for only the Zard. Nope. Regular old Scrafty. Zigzagoon. She says I'm too quiet, but then all the time I'm too loud. I don't know what to do. Should I just stop talking? Sign language?
You're making a video, you speak up. In real life, you shut up. It's easy.
This is not real life, guys.
No, so speak
This
up.
is the Matrix. Come on, Gardevoir. Hope we get something good. Come on, baby. Oh, creamy.
I like that card.
Like it looks like ice cream.
It just looks like a little fairy mushroom girl or something.
Well, it does take some psychic energy, so not really fairy, but close.
Just like a smurf, a pink smurf. I like it.
Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Ooh. Man. Champions trash. All right, we're halfway through. And no Zard yet. I say yet because I really want to get him. We deserve it. Our precious. He needs it. Give it to us raw and riddling. Yeah, Lord of the Rings. Call him. Gardevoir VMAX full art.
It's pretty.
It's a nice one.
You don't have plenty.
Nope. Rainbow Rare is better. But like you said, I don't have 20. Like some of the other ones. Alright guys, well, no Zard. That's obvious. Usually doesn't happen very easily, and we weren't going on a deep search, so I guess we'll leave it there. Did get a Gardevoir VMAX Rainbow Rare along with the full art, so can't say it's a total bust, but it wasn't the Zard. So we will continue to look for Pikachu from Vivid Voltage. We'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.